What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Dave Does Pools, where I have never seen anything like this before in my life. I will have a part 2 video because there's a lot more to this that I can't put in this one because of the time. But a few months ago, this pool owner called a pinch a penny to have them send a technician out to put a new motor on their Sta-rite pump. That technician, we're going to call him Mr. Retard, because there's no way you can tell me that you have a functioning brain and any idea what you're doing if you punched 3 holes through a fucking seal plate. I didn't even think it was possible to do that. Even if you use an impact drive, you're going to crack the outside before you do. It looks like he shot it with a fucking 410 shot shell, for Christ's sake. Then the other 2 bolts aren't even the right bolts. You'll see this in a sec after I get this shaft seal off of there. I've also never seen a shaft seal come apart like this, completely disintegrated. And it was put on there just a few months ago. But what happened, I think, is that this pool has a salt system. And the retard who did this didn't use a Viton seal because they're stupid. They don't know what they're doing, and that's why they worked at a pinch a penny. But this bolt here on the bottom, you can see is longer than the one on the top. And look at that. It's not even the right bolt. It doesn't belong on this pump. Where did you get this fucking bolt from? What are you doing? That doesn't make any sense. And I'm going to find out who actually did this because I know the owner of the pinch a penny the customer called. And that owner, I'm going to talk to her on Monday about this because this is a big deal. We'll see you later. All right. Yeah, this just blows my mind. But here's the before and after replacing that pump. I hope you guys like this video. A little bit of a rant. We'll see y'all later. I'll have part 2 soon. Bye. Take care, everyone.